Hello beautifuls, it's Simple Beauty TV. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you an easy remedy to remove unwanted hair painlessly at home. In just 2 minutes, remove unwanted hair permanently with no shave and no wax. And it's with very simple ingredients. But make sure to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any of awesome effective remedies. In a clean bowl, we need 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of turmeric. Mix them together for a bit. Then pour 200 milliliters of boiling water. You'll see it will start to foam out like this. Then mix them together. And take a cotton ball and apply this on any area you want to remove unwanted hair from. You can also apply it on your face to remove facial hair. Leave it overnight and wash it in the next morning. Do this every day for 3 days and your unwanted hair will fall by itself and it will never grow back again. So that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to never miss any effective remedies coming up. And see you in my next video. Bye!